Day 31 of traveling the United States. We're over a month into this journey, traveling the best country in the world. And we are at one of the most iconic spots, the Hoover Dam. That's it right there. Just a few more steps, we will be walking on the Hoover Dam, the one and only. You know, yesterday we were in Grand Canyon, and today we're in the Hoover Dam. Back-to-back days of legendary tourist, American tourist spots. I'm walking on the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam is the largest hydroelectric source of energy in this part of the world. All of this water powers the United States. Maybe not every single part of the United States, but definitely a good part of Arizona. And also something that's historic in our travels. This is state number 4. We're in Nevada. We're on the Nevada border with Arizona, as the Hoover Dam sits right on the border. Ow, I just got shocked. I just got shocked in my knuckle because of all of this water conducts electricity through this dam. Look at that tall bridge. Look at all these tourists here to see the beautiful dam. Hoover Dam, named after Herbert Hoover, president, who was the main force in wanting to construct the dam in around the times of the Great Depression. He thought making this magnificent structure would help the Great Depression die out, but he was a terrible president. It's like the only thing that he's known for. Check it out. That clock is in Nevada time. Someone threw up right there. That's disgusting. But we are in Nevada. State number 4. The Hoover Dam is one of the most important parts of the United States because its purpose is multidimensional. It does a lot of different things for the country. It controls flooding of the Colorado River, so that the Colorado River doesn't overflood, as that has been a problem for many, many years. It also irrigates over 1.5 million acres of land, so that many plants and wildlife can grow around it. Also provides water to the 16 million people that live near the dam. And one of the most well-known purposes of the Hoover Dam is its hydroelectric power. It generates 4 billion kilowatts of hourly energy, as it is one of the most productive dams in the world. 111 degrees in the Nevada desert. Another fun fact about the Hoover Dam, it almost wasn't called the Hoover Dam. It was originally called Boulder Dam, but they switched it up for the president Herbert Hoover, aka one of the worst presidents of the United States. And another thing, the Hoover Dam basically was obviously built, but also they built a city around the Hoover Dam called Boulder City, growing a whole economy, a whole city, because of everything that this dam has done and can do. Irrigate millions and millions of plants, stuff like that, generate power, and apparently build cities too. And another fun fact about the Hoover Dam, in late November of 1939, before America entered the war, they discovered a plot by the Nazis to blow up this beautiful dam, to cut off the power to Southern California's critical airplane manufacturing bases. The Nazis wanted to blow up this dam. Damn Nazis. Beautiful bridge. Look how big that is. Wow, what a bridge. Look at it. Look at it. We're on the Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. I remember Pat Tillman was playing the NFL, left his career to join the Army and died, I think in '04. And they named a bridge after him. Check out those electrical towers, damn near falling off the edge. Alright, so this was my video exploring the Hoover Dam. My honest opinions, I thought it was pretty boring. It's almost as many people come here to this dam as the Grand Canyon. People find this as interesting as the Grand Canyon. Thanks to whoever watched this, to my 23 subscribers. I love all of you. I don't care if one person enjoys my videos, I'm still keep making them because that's what I want to do. Peace out.